Welcome back to our channel. So in this video we shall discuss exercise 10.0. Okay, the first problem here given is an iron pillar consisting of a cylindrical portion of 2.8 meters height and 20 centimeters in diameter. Okay, so iron pillar is in the shape of a cylinder. So height of the cylinder is given the 2.8 meters and 20 centimeters in diameter. Okay, and a cone of 42 centimeters height surmounting it. That means a cone of height 42 centimeters is surmounting the cylindrical portion. Okay. So height of the cone is 42 centimeters, height of the cylinder it is given the 2.8 meters and the diameter of the cylinder it is given the 20 centimeters. So diameter is 20 centimeters, that means the radius is half of diameter, that means radius is 10 centimeters. Okay, so first write the given data. Okay, so given dimensions of cylinder. So cylinder dimension. So height of the cylinder, height h equal to, it is given the 2.8 meters. So again next, given that diameter of the cylinder is 20 centimeters. Okay, so diameter d equal to 20 centimeters. It implies that radius is half of the diameter. Okay, radius r equal to d by 2. So it implies that r equal to 20 by 2 is 10 centimeters is the radius of the cylinder. Okay, next, dimensions of the cone. So given that height of the cone, height capital H equal to, so let us take as capital H. Okay, here cylinder height is considered as small h, so consider the height of the cone as capital H. So capital H is given that 42 centimeters. Okay, and radius is same as radius of the cylinder. Okay, radius of the cone is same as radius of the cylinder, that means radius is 10 centimeters. Okay, here all the dimensions are given in terms of centimeters units. Okay, only height is given in terms of meters, so convert it into centimeters. So because we have to find the weight of the pillar, if 1 centimeters cube of iron weight 7.5 grams, that means we have to find in terms of centimeter. Okay, cubic centimeter. So convert this height into centimeters. So 2.8 meters. So converting into 10 centimeters. So we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So 2.8 meters equal to 2.8 into 100 centimeters. That means this point shift 2 digits to the right side. So 280 centimeters is the height of the cylinder. Okay. So now, okay, find the weight of the pillar if 1 cubic centimeter of iron weighs 7.5 grams. Okay, so here 1 centimeters cube of iron weighs 7.5 grams. That means the units is given in terms of cubic. Okay, cubic units. So cubic unit, we know that cubic units is to find the volume. Okay, so find the volume of this solid. That means find the volume of this pillar. To find the volume of this pillar, we have to add the volume of this cone to the volume of this cylinder. Okay, so now volume of pillar, iron pillar. Okay, iron pillar equal to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. Okay, so I will show the cylindrical portion. Okay, so the iron pillar will be in this shape. Okay, so it is consisting of a cylindrical portion surmounting a cone. Okay, we have to find the volume of this solid. That means we have to add the volume of this cone to the volume of this cylinder to find the volume of this pillar. Okay, so now volume of the cone formula, we know that volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, here capital H is the height of the cone. Okay. Now volume of the cylinder is pi r square h formula. So since our radius is same to both cone and cylinder, we can take r as common. Okay, now we can take pi into r as common from both the terms. So if we take pi into r as common, so 1 by 3rd RH will be remain. That means small r into h by 3 will be remain. So here pi r is taken as common. So that means 1 r and h will be remain. So r into h will be remain. Okay. So pi into r. So pi value you can take as 22 by 7 into r. Radius is given the 10 centimeters. Okay. Into r into h. So r is 10 centimeters into h. Capital H is here 42 centimeters by 3 plus r into h, that means 10 centimeters into h is small h is here 280 centimeters. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 10 centimeters into 3 1s, we can get 3 1s, 3 4s, that way. That means 3 14 is 42. So 10 into 14, that means 140. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeters square plus 10 into 280, that means 2800. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeters square. So 22 by 7 into 10 centimeters into 140 plus 2800, that means 0, 4, 9, okay. So 2940 centimeters square. Now 22 by 7 into 10 into 2940 centimeter into centimeter square is cubic centimeters. So the volume of the iron pillar is 22 by 7 into 10 into 2940 centimeters cube. So find the weight of the pillar if 1 centimeters cube of iron weighs 7.5 grams. It is mentioned in the question. So here it is mentioned that 1 centimeters cube of iron weighs 7.5 grams. So here we obtained 22 by 7 into 10 into 2940 centimeters cube of iron weights. How many grams we have to find? Okay. So therefore weight of the iron pillar at the rate of 7.5 grams per 1 cubic centimeters equal to 22 by 7 into 10 into 2940 into 7.5 grams. Okay, so 1 cubic centimeters weight 7.5 grams. So we have obtained 22 by 7 into 10 into 2940 centimeters square. So this amount of volume occupies how many grams we have to find. Okay, this amount of volume weights how many grams we have to find. So 1 cubic centimeter weights 7.5 grams. So this amount weights, that means this amount of 1 centimeter cube weights into 7.5 we have to multiply. Okay, so 10 into 7.5, that means this point can be shifted 1 digit. Okay, 22 by 7 into 10 into 2940 into 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10 we can write. Okay, 10 get cancelled. Okay, now so multiply the terms. Okay, 75 into 22 into 2940 by 7. Okay, so 75 into 22 2 by the 150, again 150, 0, 5, 6, so 1650 into 2940, so that means we can write 165 into 294, 5 4 the 20, 0 4, 5 4 6 the 24 plus 2 26, 6 2 4 1 the 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. Now 2 6 9 6 9 5 the 45, 5 4 9 6 the 54 plus 4 is 58, 9 1 the 9 plus 14, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12 plus 1 is 13, 3 1 1 the 2 plus 1 is 3, 0 11 9 9 plus 5 15, 8 4. Okay, so 48510, again 2 zeros, okay, by 7 grams. Okay, that means 48510 First we can write it as 4851 into 1000 by 7 grams. That means 4851 by 7. So 7 7 is 49, that means 7 6 is 42. So here 6 will be remain. 7 9 is 63. Okay, so that means 2 will be remains. So 1 7 3 is 21. So 0. So 693 into 1000 grams. Okay, 693 into 1000 grams. So we know that 1000 grams equal to 1 kg. So therefore it equal to 693 kg. Correct. So therefore the weight of the iron pillar is 693 kg.